A very good day to all parents. We welcome you to today's activity under the Parents as Co-Educators program.
The activity for today is sound and vibration. In this activity, the student will learn about the concept of sound and vibration through real life applications. In the next slide, we have demonstrated through a video how to perform the activity. Kindly go through the video, understand it, and perform the activity with the students.
Sound, a vibration. There are so many different types of sounds around us. But do we know what sound is? We have read that sound is a vibration. But what does it mean? Why do we get palpitations in front of a big blaring speaker? And why do we say sound is energy? What is sound? Answers to all these questions can be found in the science of sound. The science of sound energy. Sound is a vibration.
Sound.
Sound. Let's begin with our own voice. Do this yourself and see if anything moves in your throat. When you make the sound, you will feel vibrations. Whenever and wherever there is any sound, there will be vibrations. Because sound is created only when something moves and vibrates. When it moves back and forth. Back and forth. This is a whistle. We will need ice cream sticks, paper, small rubber bands, scissors, and some matchsticks. You can also use a plastic sheet instead of the paper. It is very easy to make. You can also make one and blow it. What did you make?
A whistle.
When you blow it, you will realize that the paper attached between the sticks flutters when you blow into it. And this is where the sound comes from. Because sound is a vibration. We can understand this concept by inserting a nut or a coin in a balloon as well. Put a nut in the balloon and inflate it. Tie a knot and spin the balloon. On spinning the balloon, the nut spins inside it, generating sound. Vibrations can be felt here too. The movement of the balloon and nut creates these vibrations. The humming sound from the balloon is very different from the sound of the whistle. The nature of the sound depends upon how it is being created. It depends upon the objects that are vibrating. Different sources generate different types of sounds, but every time the reason for sound creation is vibrations. Sound, a vibration. We have now understood that sound is a vibration. But why is sound energy and how? Stretch a balloon tightly over the mouth of a bottle and secure it with an elastic band. Place a few mustard seeds on top of it. and then see for yourself the energy of your voice. There is no contact, only sound vibrations that make the balloon vibrate and the seeds bounce. This is exactly what energy means. It does some work, moves an object, and brings about some change. Here, the bouncing mustard seeds clearly show the energy of sound. Seeds rising and falling to the rhythm of sound. Tie a thread tautly and sprinkle some powder on it. Watch the vibrations and observe its effects. This is the energy of sound. A vibrating object pushes the medium around it. For example, the air. It gets displaced, moves to and fro because of this push, and sound moves ahead like a wave and disperses in all directions. How much energy? Softer the sound, lesser is the intensity of the bounce, and as a result, less energy. Louder the sound, higher the bounce, and therefore more energy. This is why, if you stand in front of a big, blaring loudspeaker, you can feel the vibrations and a thumping in your chest. So, the next time you listen to any sound, remember the science behind it.
This activity has been received from the website of Pratham Open School. The URL for the same has been mentioned below. We would like to thank and acknowledge Pratham Open School for providing this activity.
That is all for today's activity. We hope you and the child enjoyed it. We request you to send a photograph or a video of the child performing this activity. Also, in case of any doubts or suggestions, you could reach us out on our WhatsApp number provided on the screen. Thank you.